To join a class, you will click the plus sign in the bottom right-hand corner. Your teacher will provide you a code to join the class. Then you will click Join. Once you join the class will pop up and you will see the stream. Along the bottom is where you locate any sort of classwork. So when you go to your classwork, you'll see what assignments are due. You also can see what other people are in the class by clicking this. Right now, there is one other classmate and one teacher.